This is a step-by-step guide for university supervisors how to assess in Foliotek. Click on Assessments New. That is the area for university supervisors only. Once you're here, you will see your students that you supervise and their assessments in here. They will need to send you everything, including the assessments that do not require any uploading, like dispositions assessments. So for instance, we'll click on this one. Some of these, the grading has started. So let's click on this one. You'll see data by clicking over here. This is what the student has submitted. And in this case, I had gone in and I had started grading this. So these are the grades. I can change these. If I wanted to look at the evidence for each one of these, what is developing, what is target, I can click on these and read through those. I can change these just by clicking. And once I'm finished, like we talked about in our training, it can be progressing or meeting expectation. This is just for them to be notified in case they need to do something that needs improvement. So there's evidence in here, communication of concern in place, anything else. So if I select meets expectations or progressing, it's fine. But if I click on this, I need to provide student was not in class. Anything that you add using Zoho will appear here. You can also upload an attachment. So if you have comments or anything, you can attach it here by just clicking on this and finding item that you want to attach in here. Click on open and upload it in here, just like you do for any other assessment. Since we don't have to do that, I will just go on to summary. Summary saves everything on the previous page. Now you can publish this assessment so that student can see it and it is submitted, or you can leave it until you have graded the other students by clicking on here, and you can go to the next student and click on their hat. And in this case, nothing was submitted, so assume this is like dispositions rubric. You can just click on these, finalize it, as long as they're progressing or meeting expectations, you click on those. Click on summary. If you have to change things, you're going to go back and change them. And you can do that at any time. So if I wanted to change this, I can change this, come back, summarize, so to save it. Once you publish it, it is final. If you need to change it, you can let us know. So if you made a mistake, you can reset. You can have it reset by calling that 888 number. And that's pretty much it for assessing students.